Welcome to another Patrick Michael tutorial, and thank you for joining me. We are continuing our exploration of no-code automation, AI assistance, and this is a quick tutorial on a voice command to QuickBooks integration. So it is similar to, it's actually an extension of the previous tutorial where we used a Jotform trigger, a voice command using Jotform, and went down a flow, and depending on the command, it either went down an invoice, a quote, or a to-do list. We followed the invoice path, and so today's tutorial is going to be similar in the sense that it is still going to be a voice trigger, going to use Whisper, and it is going to follow a invoice path, except we are going to be focusing on the QuickBooks integration for the invoice, whereas on this tutorial we used Google Docs. We used Google Docs to create the invoice and the quotation. So let's jump straight in. What you will need for this tutorial is a Jotform account, and the free one is fine. You will need a Zapier account, and you will need the Pro because we are using premium Zaps. You will need an OpenAI API access with credit, and you will need a QuickBooks account. What we have already covered, and I'm not going to cover this in this video, but in a previous video, which will be linked below, we have covered setting up your Jotform account. We have covered creating a new form with the voice record, and we have covered Zapier, setup of account and create new Zap, and we have also covered creating an OpenAI account and creating your API key. So if you want any of those details, then just go have a look at the previous video. So the flow for this particular little tutorial is very similar. New submission from Jotform that goes to OpenAI Whisper. It creates a transcript. We then create a fallback date. Then we use GPT to extract the data relating to the customer and the task or service that's been performed and the amount to be charged. We put that into a clean JSON format, and then we look for our customer in QuickBooks and we create an invoice. All right, so just a quick reminder, this is what the form looks like. It's a very, very simple form with a simple record instruction. Let's just do a quick demo. Create an invoice for the client Patrick Chiron. Chiron is spelled K-H-Y-R-O-N. Ensure to use the spelling K-H-Y-R-O-N for Patrick Chiron for the service of 3 Zapier workflows for the amount of 3,264 rands and 20 cents. Okay, so it's just saving the recording, and there's done, and I'm going to submit that. And as you can see there, it said thank you, and it's been submitted. So that should now flow through. That invoice should be coming through now. Let's just hop over to QuickBooks. And here we can see Patrick Chiron is the account, the client that we have set up. And there are the invoices, and the last invoice was 1007. So if we refresh this, okay, so there is the new invoice 1010. Why there is a discrepancy in the numbers is because I have been testing and deleting. So that is the invoice that has just been generated now. So we know that is working. All right, so let's hop over to our tutorial, and we're going to run through this quite quickly. So the trigger is the Jotform, the one that we just looked at. The account we've set up. The trigger is QuickBooks instruction, and for testing, we can pull records that have been pushed through. So there is one that we used. We can continue with that. But now, so that WAV file that's generated by the form is now sent to Whisper, and the account is set up using the API key. The action, this is a hard-coded WAV file that we're going to use for testing, but in reality what we would do for a live version, we put the URL and then we use the answer. So that is the answer for this submission as the file that it would go look at to send to Whisper. But because this, in the testing scenario, we have to use a hard-coded link to a file, and that is because when we test, we're actually not using a live submission, and then the URL that it looks for gets a bit messed up. If you go look at the previous tutorial, and you'll see the explanation for that a little bit clearer. Basically, the URL it looks for breaks if we had to test it using this. So we hard code to a file, and we can continue, and let's just retest this. That's the data in, and data out gives us the actual transcript. So there it is. And this is the reason why we spell out Chiron, because, and this would be a challenge to overcome in a situation like this, because Whisper is picking up Chiron as Chiron, whereas if we actually look at our customer, it is Patrick Chiron. So in the instruction, we are telling it to spell Chiron in that way. We will see this a little bit clearer later. All right, so now we can continue, and we generate a fallback date. And if we test this, it's the 4th of June. Okay, data in, data out, 4th of June, that's fine. So we can continue. All right, now we have a conversation with GPT. The account is set up as before using the API key, and the action, we use a message. So now we are sending a prompt to GPT to tell it to extract the required information from the transcript, similar to the previous tutorial. And here we are using, if no date is specified, we use the output from this date step, so that is covered again. So there is the prompt. There will be a link to it in the description, and the temperature is 0.5. That's because we want an accurate transcript. We want accurate results, so we retest this. Data in, it's pulling in, and data out, and there is the reply, and we want it as per our prompt to have the output in JSON format, and there it is. So we can continue, and now we're going to take that output from GPT and put it into code using JavaScript, and here is the code which we generated. We used AI to generate this code, but basically it goes through and it puts the information into variables, which is what is happening here. All right, so now let's move to our QuickBooks integration. So we want to use QuickBooks. Now, we wanting it to find Patrick Chiron in our QuickBooks account. So the action here is to find a customer. That's the action we want. All right. The reason why we do this now is so that we have a clear QuickBooks data to use to create the invoice. So QuickBooks know who's to generate the invoice for. So the account, again, it's very simple. You just use your QuickBooks details to log in. And the action here, all right, search field. So name, display. So we're going to search on name called display name as in QuickBooks. So we go across to QuickBooks and we look at our customer and we edit our customer. When we created the customer, we have customer display name Patrick Chiron. That's another reason why we stipulated the spelling of Chiron, so that this would all be exact. All right, so the name we're going to use, okay, the value is from our JavaScript is client name. All right, so that's the value we're going to use for the lookup. If no client is discovered, should this be success in this situation? No. If you wanted to, you could create a customer based on nothing found, but we're not going to do that. We continue and we test this. And there we go. It has found our customer in QuickBooks. So now we can generate our invoice relatively easily. So we use QuickBooks again. And the action is create invoice. The account is set up. The event, is create invoice. The account is already set up. The action, the customer, we want, now you can see that it's picking up the customers from the previous step, but that's not what we want to use. We want to use a custom field, and we go to the find customer in QuickBooks step, and we want to use the customer ID here. All right, so that is that. Email, we could also do that. We can use the customer email. Primary email address there. You can CC, this send later. If you said yes, then it doesn't automatically send the email, the invoice once it's created. Now, in this version of QuickBooks, I've got the demo version of QuickBooks. So on this level, it doesn't automatically send out invoices once they're created. You've actually got to create a workflow to do that. And I can't do that in this version. But if you've got a sort of a higher version of QuickBooks, you can automate all those processes. And this would just delay it if you didn't want to send it. Now, billing, you can send, can all this override your details in QuickBooks here. Terms, invoice date, today's date, if none specified. We could also use our date here generated in our Zap. All this should be handled by QuickBooks. So this product or service, this is what you could set up, sort of a service that comes from this Zap in your QuickBooks settings, but I'm just going to use that Zapier. So here's the amount. We can pull that from our JavaScript, and there is the amount. Tax, this is automatically populated by QuickBooks. I'm just going to use standard tax. And in all this, you can leave. This is now going into a sort of tutorial on QuickBooks. So I'm not going to I'm not going to bother with that. So this actually should now work. Oh, no. I've missed a very important step, which is the invoice number. Here we go. So invoice number, we want auto generate. Copy that. And now it should work. Yep, and there's no error here. So we go across to our invoices. We should get invoice number 11. There it is. There it is, invoice number 11. And that came in today, the 4th of June. So there we go. Thanks very much for watching. I will be making more videos on automations and no-code automations. So again, thanks for watching. If you like this, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Until next time, thank you.